dig up this long buried treasure? Were it worth the pleasure? We never could learn love's song. We are parted too long. Could the passionate past that is fled call back its dead? Could we live it all over again? Were it worth the pain? I remember we used to meet by an ivied seat, and you warbled each pretty word with the air of a bird. And your voice had a quaver in it, just like a linnet, and shook as the blackbird's throat with its last big note. And your eyes, they were green and gray, like an April day, that lit into amethyst when I stooped and kissed. And your mouth, it would never smile for a long, long while. Then it rippled all over with laughter 5 minutes after. You were always afraid of a shower, just like a flower. I remember you started and ran when the rain began. I remember I never could catch you, for no one could match you. You had wonderful, luminous, fleet little wings to your feet. I remember your hair, did I tie it? For it always ran riot, like a tangled sunbeam of gold. These things are old. I remember so well the room and the lilac bloom that beat at the dripping pane in the warm June rain. And the color of your gown, it was amber brown, and 2 yellow satin bows from the shoulder rose. And your handkerchief of French lace, which you held to your face, had a small tear left to stain, or was it the rain? On your hand as it waved adieu, there were veins of blue. In your voice as it said goodbye was a petulant cry. You only wasted your life. Ah, that was the night. I rushed through the garden gate, it was all too late. Could we live it over again? Were it worth the pain? Could the passionate past that is fled call back its dead? Well, if my heart must break, dear love, for your sake, it will break in music, I know, poets' hearts break so. But strange that I was not told that the brain can hold in a tiny ivory cell God's heaven and hell. But strange that I was not told that the brain can hold in a tiny ivory cell God's heaven and hell.